Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, we are gonna get to it, guys. Today we're gonna be going over what's going on with Bitcoin. Specifically, we're gonna see a little bit of Dogecoin, and we're gonna touch on some Ethereum and look over some Cardano real quick, guys. We're just gonna quick pop analysis, like quick pop, like a little pop quiz, or not pop quiz, more like a pop of information analysis on some of these cryptos, guys. So so let's get to it, guys. I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's see what we see in all these coins going on right now. So let's start with Bitcoin, guys. We are looking at the 1 week chart. The overall picture on Bitcoin is that, well, we are still obviously looking like we're gonna keep going towards the downside. I don't see a really big strong recovery coming soon. As I mentioned to you guys in my videos before, bam, I told you guys when we hadn't even crossed here, like we were still up here. I mean, I told you guys that when we're still up here, that we were gonna have a dump, and I told you it was coming. And well, I told you that it was not gonna be easy to get out of there, because it's like quicksand, and we're still in it, and it's gonna be hard for us to get out of it. We're gonna need a lot of volume, a lot of price action movement, and it's just not happening right now. But we may be seeing Bitcoin either two things have to happen right now. Within the short term, on the 1 day chart, I believe that Bitcoin, it broke out of this symmetrical triangle that a few people were following. Crypto, the Moon, and I think the BGJ15. They're big crypto guys that were also following. And we seem to be, to me, we're breaking out of the symmetrical triangle in a downward direction. It doesn't seem like unfortunately, it doesn't seem like we're gonna have the steam to break out of here, guys. So I think that we may be going a little bit more towards the downside. As you could see, the MACD running, it really does, it's just running out of steam. The volume is just a little bit flat, nothing much going on. We could be seeing some consolidation for a while, just going down like this. We could see it just do this for a while, and then either break towards the upside or obviously towards the downside. Something's gonna need to happen if we break above this neckline right here. So really, once we're around the $39,000 area, we're gonna be feeling a little bit more bullish, and we really need to break out of 42,500 on my analysis, on my best case scenario, for us to really feel bullish and possibly going into a longer position. For me, I need to see a break of 42,500 within the meantime to really feel bullish about Bitcoin again. So that's what I think on what's going to happen with Bitcoin. And let's go into Dogecoin, guys. And remember, be careful, guys. If you're not a great trader, right now is a risky time to be trading. If you're not a pro, I would be careful, guys, because the market has no clear direction right now. All right, Dogecoin. Let's get to Dogecoin. We're at 37.375 really, Dogecoin, same thing. There's just a lot of not a lot of excitement. It's been flat. It's been just sideways movement for a while, and now we're still kind of going flat. There's no clear direction, almost just like Bitcoin. It's just sideways movement, guys. And until something happens, we're gonna need to once again either break towards the upside even more or towards the downside. I mean, we broke out of this channel right here. We broke out, which is a good thing, obviously, because we could have kept bouncing down even lower. Obviously, that would have been a not great situation at all, but could have been happening. So we broke out of here, and then we were trying to go towards the upside, and now we're kind of falling flat. So we're gonna once again need to either keep running flat and then eventually break down a little bit more. We'll maybe have a correction, or we could just break up, guys. Let the charts tell you what's gonna happen. Be mindful. I wouldn't really go, I mean, it's hard to say, but for me, even 0.44 would 44 cents would probably for me be a time to be feeling bullish again, because I've seen a lot of fake outs And yeah, I've seen a lot of fake outs lately, and unless there's strong volume and momentum towards the upside, like strong, I would probably be careful if you're trying to enter a Dogecoin trade for the short time being, guys. All right, let's go next on to Ethereum. Here you are, Ethereum, same thing, nothing to write home about. I mean, we've had quite a drop, obviously, as it is. This is in the 1 day chart. We were obviously around the $4,000 area. I made a good amount of money on this trade as well. I think I made it, somewhere like 6,000. No, wait. I think I made like 3,000 this last time, and last time I made like 6,000 to 7,000 on it. And I took profits right somewhere here on 37, maybe. No, 36. I took profits around here because I never tried to. There's no way you're ever gonna try to catch every single move to the top, guys. So sometimes I just take my money and I run and take my profit. I missed a bit of the move here. I missed about a 10% more plus of the move. But once again, you got to be mindful. You can't always time the very top. You got to be able to take your profits, because otherwise you're going to be the guy always holding out, and then boom, you lose it all. So I took my profits on this last short-term trade, guys. And I made my money, and now I haven't been trading it because there's no clear direction anywhere, guys. It's just like, oh, we're trying to break up, but we don't. Now we're going kind of flat. In the 1 week chart, we're not out of the woods, guys. On the 1 week chart, look at this. Remember when I told you guys a couple weeks back ago that when we were still up here, that we needed to close these gaps right here. These were both wide open, and now we're touching, and now we're probably gonna see some red and towards the downside. So we may still see a bigger correction coming out of Ethereum in the long term. That's what I think. But we could get a bounce off of here as well. We could go boop, but then maybe break back down once the bull cycle is over. We could see another pop, and then boom, coming down once the bull cycle is over, or maybe just go down, because we're running out of steam. In the positives, the MACD is trying to cross over the positive price action and negative price action, or crossing, and whenever that happens, that's usually not a good sign, guys. So be careful if you're trying to enter your short-term trades. We could see a dump coming, and that would be a buying opportunity for everybody who missed out on buying Ethereum at like 1,700. I think we could probably see a $1,700 Ethereum, 1,750, even 1,550 maybe. But I definitely see that happening. Look right here, guys. Look at this right here. We have 1,681. So we could probably see 1,650, guys. So this is the end of the wick right here. So we could see that, and if we can't even stay above that, we'll see maybe $1,250 big Ethereum. I would be loading up on that, guys. I would be loading up on all these long-term. My long-term hodling portfolio when the prices are so low, guys. This is a shopping spree for you guys if you really want to invest in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever you want to invest in the long term. Buying during the bear market is how you make money when there's a green market. So when the market's down, you buy, you hold it and ride it all the way up to the top. And I'm not telling you to buy now, buy tomorrow. Guys, I average dollar cost average in whenever prices are down. You always want to buy when it's low, then it's lower, then it's lower. I break up my dollar cost averages into a minimum 5 trades, guys. So if you're gonna buy $10,000 worth, you basically do $2,000 trades every certain price number. Like if you can't always time the bottom either. So if you were buying, you wanted to, buy for your hodling portfolio, I would buy, let's say, at 3,000, like, maybe a little bit at 3,000, and then maybe a little bit at 2,500. Then maybe a little bit more at 2,200, maybe a little bit more at 1,800, 1,900, and then finally try to buy some more right there. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, and now you get a nice dollar cost average that's quite low. It's not one big chunk, high chunk at the top, or one big, you know, at the bottom. Obviously would be good, but you know, you're not overly buying expensive. You're kind of just right in the middle, and you're averaging a 23, you know, 21, 2200, better than at 27 or 4,000, guys. So that's just kind of what I do. So take that with a grain of salt, guys. Everybody should do what they want in their own style of investing. That's what I would do, and that's what I do with my long-term portfolios. I have long-term portfolios for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, guys. Those are my main holdings. Those are my HODL forever coins, and I'm buying constantly when it's red, guys. That's how you make money. Alrighty, guys, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this information, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one. And remember, you can always get out of the rat race too.